1. Apply the wax. Use the application tool provided with your wax to apply the wax in even amounts. Avoid getting the wax on anything else such as your clothes or carpet. You can always go to a professional and have them wax your stomach for you. You can use any commercial hair removal wax, which can be found at most drugstores. Look for hard wax, as it doesn't need to be pulled off in the opposite direction of the hair's growth, and is therefore less painful. 2. Remove wax with cloth strips. Wait for the wax to set. It should have a sticky consistency once it's ready to remove. Place the cloth strips provided with the wax on top of the wax. Grab the cloth from the edge and pull it off in one swift motion. 3. Repeat on all unwanted stomach hair. Apply wax over another section of the hairy area of your stomach. Remove the wax with the cloth strips. Repeat this until you've waxed all the desired areas of your stomach.